Hi guys! Welcome ulit sa akin channel. So, ang next project natin guys na ipapakita ngayon is Project Winnie. Also, a 3-bedroom, 2-story house and lot guys. So, dito pa rin ito sa Washington Place, Dasmariñas, Cavite. So, pasok na tayo guys. So, una is yung sala area. Ayan. So, this is a model unit, guys. And then, we can also see the dining area. Napakalawak na, guys, at maraming window. So, yan ang stairs to second floor. Ayan, marami tayong malalagyan dyan. So, this fit for a family with 2 kids or 3 kids. Pwede ito, guys. So, ito yung kitchen area. So, pwede na nating dagdagan dyan kung mayroon tayong idagdag. And then, we're approaching here at receiving room. Pwede din siyang gawing room sa baba, guys. Pero pwede din siyang receiving room. So, ayan ako, hi. Ayan, meron ding cabinet. Lagyan ng books. Ayan. So, ito yung CR sa baba. So, shower. Ayan, salamin. Ako ulit. So, a very elegant CR. Tayo na ang mag-decorate. Lagyan ba natin ng frame like that. Ayan, tayo na maglagay ng heater because this is only a model unit, guys. Of 2-story house and lot. And then, yan yung exit door. So, di ba napakaganda? So, fits for your family. Ayan. So, akit na tayo sa second floor. It's just a simply typical 3-2-story house, guys. So, ayan. Ito yung stair wooden. Ayan. So, very safe. Ang paggawa ng hagdan, guys. Ayan. So, pag akyat natin, guys, makikita agad natin ang sala. Ayan. So, ito yung mga kapitbahay. May window din. Ayan. Lagyan na ng carpet. Diba? So, approaching tayo, guys, sa first bedroom. So, dito yung anak nyo. Little girl. Pwede din naman teens. So, ito yung napaka-nice na room. First room. So, meron na siyang table, study table, bintana. And we're approaching to second room. So, pwede din sa isa yung anak. Ayan. So, depende kung i-double deck nyo. Example, 3 ang anak nyo or 4. Pwede naman siyang i-double deck. Ayan. So, yan yung meron ding lagay ng cabinet. So, yun yung second room. At ito yung next is master bedroom. So, malaki din siya, guys, no? Ayan. So, meron siyang double bed. Ayan, this is me. So, feel ko talaga yung sarili ko. Ayan. So, kasi ina-imagine ko na, guys, na ganito yung gusto kong bahay soon by God's grace and faith and God's favor. So, may cabinet siya. Ayan. May window din. At ito nilapit talaga. So, bagay talaga itong bahay para sa akin. So, ito yung dream house ko, guys. And soon, by God's favor, makamit natin to. So, meron din siyang window aircon. At ito yung CR, like sa baba. Very elegant. Yan, may salamin. Ito na naman ako. Ayan, may shower. Ayan, ang ganda ng pag-decorate nila ng lights nila, guys. So, ito yung kabuuan. So, DM me if you're interested. And thank you for watching ulit. Bye! God bless!